Welcome to Suicidal Agents. We propose to implement a new worldwide recruiting program. This program will increase the amount of virgins that you get when you sign up to our agency. At presently, the limit for virgins is 100. Now, here at Suicidal Agency, we will be giving away 101 virgins when you sign up to SS Suicidal Agency. Now, if you want to join up to our agency, you must call 1-800-SUICIDE. I do believe I hear the phone ringing. Yes.
Hey, me hear someone argue with virgins over there, you know. 101. Yes, hey, me can manage the whole of them one time.
We are giving virgins when you sign up to our agency.
Tell me something. Them look good.
What?
Want me on a picture?
No, we don't have any pictures of virgins.
What do you mean on a picture?
You will see the virgins when you commit suicide.
So what them gyal are they?
Heaven.
Heaven?
That's when you see virgins.
So you know that them are virgin?
What do you mean, how do I know that they are virgins? Of course they are virgins. They are there waiting in heaven for you when you get there.
What's up me to photo man so me can look on two of them?
No, we do not have photographs of virgins. I told you already.
How the bumbo clock you deal with? Hey watch out. Batman nobody puss in a bag, you know.